The following presentation is based on one of the over 600 idea sheets created by teachers for RAFT, Resource Area for Teaching. RAFT idea sheets are a free resource for teachers and available at any RAFT location. They're also available online at raftsac.org. RAFT idea sheets reference various content and grade level standards and are all aligned to address California content standards ranging from grades pre-K through 12. Standards in your state may vary, but RAFT lessons are easily adaptable and often applicable to additional subject areas and grade levels. If you've downloaded the RAFT idea sheet online, you'll find your sheet includes the following sections to guide you through the activity. Topics, materials list, this activity can be used to teach, assembly, to do and notice, the science behind the activity, and taking it further. Terms in this activity. Seed, the part of a plant or tree from which a new plant may be grown. Germination, the beginning of growth in a seed, spore, or plant bud. Photosynthesis, the process in green plants and certain other organisms by which carbohydrates are synthesized from carbon dioxide and water using light as an energy source. This video is divided into multiple sections: an overview, what you're watching now, the actual demonstration of the lesson, including a complete materials list, and taking it further, showing some real-life applications for the concepts presented.
Have you ever planted a flower or a garden from a single seed? If you have, you know that all of the material required for growth or sprouting is contained in this tiny little package. I'm Dave Traversy, and today we're going to build a raft kit called the Germinator. There's a variety of ways to germinate seeds, but these Germinator kits allow you to see up close and measure the day-by-day growth of the seeds. These radish seeds grow immediately. On the first day you'll see sprouting, while the pea seeds take more than a week to see the first life. Let's go ahead and build these kits. To make these Germinator kits, we're going to need a variety of materials. A plastic tray, a roll of tape, scissors, a ruler, a piece of coffee filter, which I've pre-cut to 12 by 16 centimeters, although it's not important that it's perfect, and a piece of transparency that's made from the grid that comes with the kit. Also, a CD jewel case. We'll start by placing the grid in the back of the CD jewel case. I'm going to use a small piece of tape to adhere it in place. And then I'm going to fold the coffee filter. You're going to fold several folds along the top, and we're going to keep folding until it's about halfway gone. The purpose of this fold is to help you keep the seeds trapped in the Germinator kit. Now that I've got that, I'm going to place this inside the CD jewel case. And as you can see, I want to line this with one of the grid lines. If I take a little bit of water and wet the coffee filter, it will help the seeds stick to the paper and stay in place. I'm choosing radish seeds because they grow the fastest, and I'm just going to space them out equally along the moist coffee filter. Once they're in place, close the lid, add some water to your tray, and place the jewel case in the water. And there you have a Germinator. Now that you've got your Germinator, here's what you can do with it. First of all, you should build several of them to grow a variety of seeds. This grid has been provided so that you can carefully measure the rate of root growth and leaf growth. You can also add a variety of different liquids into the trays to see how that has an effect. Add a drop of fertilizer to one and leave it out of the other. You can try different light sources from bright light all the way to complete darkness. When you're ready to transplant your germinated seed into the soil, make sure to give it plenty of water and sunlight so it can photosynthesize and continue growing on its own. And as always, there are lots of ideas on your raft idea sheet for you to think about and discuss with your classmates.